In this video, I will show you how to export WordPress comments in CSV format. And for the purpose of this video, we'll be exporting comments directly from the database. So before proceeding with the steps shown in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your WordPress site. Once that's done, log into your hosting account and then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, then look for database section, and then look for phpMyAdmin. Go ahead and open it. Then locate the database which is associated with the WordPress installation. In my case, it's this one. Go ahead and open it. Then within the list of tables, locate table called WP_comments. I thought the prefix could be different, but in most cases, it's WP. Let's open it. Right here, you'll see all the comments which are posted on my test website. Here's the sample name, the email, and the actual comment content. So now let's go ahead and export it. For that, click on Export, then select Quick Method. In Format, select CSV, and for rows, select the first option, Dump All Rows. Now click on Export. So we've successfully downloaded the comments in the CSV format. Now let's go ahead and open the Google Sheets and then import them right in here. Import data. So the file has been successfully imported, and right in here you can see here's the names of the comment authors, the email addresses, the dates when the comments were initially published, and most importantly, here's the content of the actual comments. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.